We are at the U.S. Nationals in Indianapolis, biggest drag race of the year, and we have the opportunity to provide 2 interns with the experience of a lifetime.
It's a hell of an experience, I'll give you that much.
Yeah.
Like, there's nothing else compared to this, you know, something that you literally have to be here to be able to experience. You know, I'm so grateful to be standing here wrenching on these cars.
Respect is Learned in the Pits is a internship program in partnership with Randy Meyer Racing and Technician.Academy. Technician.Academy 5 years ago, and Randy Meyer Racing set out to be able to give the individual going through his 2nd year ASC training the ability to come out to a racetrack and experience what racing is like.
Standing on the line with your arms crossed over you, watching the car go. So she's staged, 100% ready. You hear that fuel come on and the RPM kicks up. You just gotta hold your breath. As soon as you see that stage bulb light up, you're just waiting for the yellows, and as soon as those go, you're rooting for it. And so far, every run has been really, really good.
I like the program. I like what it's about and what it stands for. And, you know, I want to, at my age, you know, you get to a point in life where you want to help give back, and I'm at that point where I want to give back to some of these younger people and give them a chance.
As soon as I saw that car go down the strip the first time, I was so excited because I actually got to work on that car, you know, and it's just incredible.
We actually partner with NATEP certified schools, and if you are in your 2nd year of training, if you're at in an automotive technical program, you can go to Technician.Academy and you can fill out an online application where it's basically the application to be a pit crew member for Randy Meyer Racing. The winners are announced, and then they basically have full access to this pit. This pit of 40 years of NHRA knowledge. We're talking 2-time defending world champion, U.S. Nationals world champion, and these interns are able to come, and from minute 1, Randy puts them to work. This is not a stand and watch internship.
They've been having me work on the clutch a ton, and tires and oil and stuff like that. I feel like it's been really good too. Up on the line, they have me staging her, backing her up from the burnout.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience I get to live. You know, getting to work with the crew, I'm learning so much on these cars. Of course I love the racing, of course I love seeing Rachel down the quarter mile, you know, but my favorite part is rebuilding the motor. You know, I like that, it's fun.
I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you to these program sponsors. You know, it is not possible without people like Motorrad and Ivy Tech Community College of Evansville, because without sponsors like you, none of this experience is possible.
You know, I keep on trying to pinch myself once in a while, make sure I'm not dreaming. Pretty excited for what's to come.